This grain-free canned recipe centers on real deboned beef, lamb, and bison, giving dogs a rich animal protein profile that supports strong muscles and overall vitality. The soft pate texture is easy for dogs of many ages and sizes to eat, making it a practical option for both small companions and larger pets that enjoy a smoother wet food. The formula avoids common fillers and potential irritants such as grain, corn, wheat, and soy, which can be helpful for dogs with sensitive digestion or ingredient intolerances. There are no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, so the ingredient list stays focused on recognizable foods, plus added vitamins and minerals for balanced daily nutrition. Because it is designed to work either as a complete meal or as a topper over dry kibble, it offers flexibility for adjusting your dog's feeding routine and palatability. The cans are made in United States facilities by a long-established pet food company, and the pull-tab design makes daily feeding quicker and less messy for owners.